Carbonara is one of the easiest pasta dishes to make. If you do everything right, you get a silky, glossy sauce that coats every strand of pasta. But one wrong move, and you'll end up with scrambled eggs. Today, we're showing you exactly how to make spaghetti carbonara the right way, no cheat codes. Carbonara is a classic Roman pasta dish made with just a handful of ingredients: pasta, eggs, cheese, black pepper, and cured pork. Traditionally, that's guanciale, but today we're using pancetta. One thing you won't find in authentic carbonara? Cream. Before we start cooking, there are 4 rules that will make or break your carbonara. Rule number 1, freshly grate your cheese. Freshly grated cheese melts more smoothly and tastes dramatically better than that pre-shredded stuff. Number 2, save your pasta water. That starchy water helps loosen the sauce and brings everything together. Rule number 3, turn off the heat before adding the eggs. This is a big one. The residual heat from the pasta will cook the eggs gently. Direct heat will scramble them. And finally, keep the pasta moving. Once the eggs go in, you only get one chance. So be ready to work fast. Before we begin, we're gonna take our serving bowls and heat them in a low oven until they're warm to the touch. This might seem unnecessary, it's not. Cold bowls can cool the pasta too quickly and cause the sauce to tighten up before it hits the table. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Cook the spaghetti until al dente. Before draining, reserve about a cup of pasta water. In a bowl, whisk together 5 egg yolks and 1 whole egg. Stir in the parm and the pecorino. This mixture is what becomes the sauce. Set it aside, but keep it close. Things are about to move quickly. Add the pancetta to a skillet over medium heat. Cook until golden brown and crispy. Then remove it from the pan. But leave all that rendered fat behind. That's the flavor. Transfer the cooked spaghetti directly into the skillet. Toss it in the pancetta fat and add half a cup of reserved pasta water. And now, the most important step in the entire recipe. Turn off the heat. Working quickly, add the egg and cheese mixture, then toss continuously. The heat from the pasta gently cooks the eggs while the cheese melts into a smooth sauce. If it starts to look too thick, add a splash of pasta water. Keep tossing until every strand is coated in a glossy, silky sauce. Never stop tossing. Add the crispy pancetta back into the pan, then taste before adding any salt. Between the cheese and the pancetta, there may already be plenty. Finish with freshly cracked black pepper. And if you like, a little lemon zest and chopped parsley. And that's carbonara. No cream, no shortcuts, no scrambled eggs. Just a few ingredients and one very important technique. Remember the rules. Fresh cheese, save your pasta water, turn off the heat, and keep that pasta moving. Master those, and you'll have silky carbonara every time. Let us know what egg dishes you want us to show you how to make next.